Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to the third part of unit 6, and in this third part we are going to start our vocabulary. First of all, we are going to place the center heading of vocabulary, and below that you will put the exercise number 1. Okay, after putting the vocabulary and the exercise number 1, you just make a box. Okay, and in this box we are going to write down some words which are going to be chosen for different sentences of the exercise. So the first word is discourage, impossible, depressed, unconditional, dishonest, unemployed, indirect, impolite, insensitive, and discomfort. And between the words, of course, you are going to place the comma over there. Now these are all 10 words. Now let's start the exercise by writing the question, and the question is fill in the blanks with the words given above. Question, after putting the question, we come to the start of the exercise, and the first sentence is although he is a dash child, comma, he would not try to cheat an elderly man. First, we are going to write down the sentences without the words over there, which are to be filled from the above box. Okay. Now, elderly man, full stop, leaving first line and writing the second sentence after being dash for so many months, he thought he would never find a job again. Full stop. Third sentence, don't dash children from playing as it can help child creativity. Full stop. Fourth sentence, that was an dash comment to make and you should apologize for being so rude. Full stop. She blurted out her opinion without thinking and was completely dashed to her friends. Full stop. Sentence number 6. They took an dash hit after the ball ricocheted off the pole. Full stop. Sentence number 7. The rash caused a child a great deal of dash. Full stop. Sentence 8. It seemed dash to win the lawsuit at that time as all the evidence was against us. Full stop. Sentence number 9. After her family left her, she became extremely withdrawn and dash. Full stop. Sentence number 10. The love of mother for her children is dash. Full stop. Now, as you can see, these are 10 sentences that we have written. Now, we are going to take words from the box and fill them in the spaces that we have left with a light blue or black pointer. In the first sentence, it is going to be dishonest. In the second, it is going to be unemployed. Third is going to be discouraged. Fourth is going to be impolite. Fifth is going to be insensitive. Sixth is indirect. Seventh dash is going to be filled with discomfort. Then impossible in the eighth. Ninth is going to have the word depressed. And the last left one is unconditional, which will be filled in the 10th sentence. And with this, we complete our first exercise from the vocabulary portion. Placing the exercise number 2 had a center heading on the new side of your page, you write down the question. By adding a prefix, write the opposite of the following words. Now, in the first column, we are going to write down the words, and in the second column, their opposites. Okay. Now, in the first column, under the heading of the words, you are going to place the words with black pointer. The first word is passable, having opposite impassable. Second word is decisive. Its opposite is indecisive. Third word is agreeable. Its opposite is disagreeable. Fourth word is like. Its opposite is unliked. Fifth word is liked, L-I-K-E-D, liked, and its opposite is disliked, D-I-S-L-I-K-E-D, disliked. Sixth word is practical, and its opposite is impractical. Okay, now you may use for the prefix over here im, in, dis, un, dis, and im. You may use a different color pointer if you wish to. This completes your vocabulary exercise, and now we proceed to the third and the last exercise of our unit, and that is taken from the writing portion. Placing the heading of writing in the center, we write down a question, and the question is, write 10 points of code of behavior. Whenever we play a game, as I told you people before also, that we have got some rules over there, and we must follow the rules. So here we are going to write down 10 points which are known as code of behavior, and this is going to be placed with a heading is going to be placed with a black cut marker, and writing the points by numbering them. Number 1, try hard to learn sport. It is sport over here, S-P-O-R-T, sport. Second point, be nice to teammates, comma, coaches and players of other team. Full stop. Third point, work hard with team. Fourth point, pay attention to coaches and officials. Fifth point, be regular in training and matches. Sixth, always be good sportsmen. Seventh, talk nicely to coaches, teammates and opponents. Eighth, never act unsportsmanlike. 9, never hit, comma, throw things or laugh at anyone for any reason. Full stop. And the last point is abide by the rules and regulations. Full stop. And with this, we complete our unit number 6 and of course part 3 of the unit. And now I would like to say that you do your work in time, submit your work in time, so that your copies are updated with the checking also. Okay, and take care of yourselves, of your health, and at home be good at home and do some learning also. I hope that the test has been done by you people is going to be nice while I do the checking. Okay, Allah Hafiz.